गिर गए यार.
हाँ, so coming back to your question.
Yeah.
So
Feelings के बारे में.
this is the feeling that I feel like feeding laddus to everybody every day.
अच्छा, लेकिन नाराजगी क्या थी हमसे कि आप इटली चली गई, वहाँ पे आपने शादी की और उसके बाद फिर उसके बाद
क्या है, मैं आपके क्वेश्चन से सहमत हूँ, लेकिन इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं था. मेरे जो हस्बैंड है वो मुझे लेके चले गए. अब मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पाई उनको. जैसे कि यू नो द थिंग इज दैट अभी शादी तो मतलब बचानी भी है ना. नई नई शादी हुई है और तभी तो शादी हुई भी नहीं थी. तो जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि चलो इटली, मैंने बोला चलो. तो आई हैड नो चॉइस.
अच्छा, अभी हमने लड्डू खाए हैं. क्या पता वो दिन बहुत ही जल्द आएगा कि जब दूसरी लड्डू हमारे मुंह में पड़े.
जरूर जरूर जरूर. उसमें तो डबल लड्डू खिलाऊंगी मैं, उसमें सौंदेश के साथ.
Rani, Hina Kumawat from P7 News.
Yes.
Congratulations.
How are you?
I am
Hina?
fine.
You're fine.
Yeah. आपकी शादी के लिए मुबारकबाद.
Thank you.
आपका टाइटल्स में नाम क्या आएगा? रानी मुखर्जी या रानी आदित्य चोपड़ा?
रानी मुखर्जी.
आप चेंज नहीं कर रही हैं अपना नाम?
जी, मुझे मेरे प्यार से बहुत प्यार है, मेरे नाम से बहुत प्यार है. तो आई थिंक आई विल कीप टू दैट बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स फॉर माई फिल्म्स. आई थिंक पीपल नो मी एज रानी मुखर्जी एंड दे विल ऑलवेज नो मी एज रानी मुखर्जी. Personal life में obviously when I do admit my children in the school, I guess that will be a change in my surname. But for my fans, it will always remain Rani Mukherjee.
रानी, अभी आपने कहा कि आप झांसी की रानी से
आप ही क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे, दूसरों को भी मौका दीजिए.
ये मेरा सवाल कि झांसी की रानी से बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायर है, तो क्या आदित्य को ये रूप दिखाया है कभी एकदम रॉ?
बहुत बार.
हेलो रानी.
हाँ.
ये मर्दानापन शादी के बाद जगह या पहले से था?
जैसे मैं पैदा हुई ना तब से, जब से पैदा हुई थी ना तभी माँ शक्ति के कोख से पैदा हुई शक्ति बन के निकली. देर नहीं लगी. अभी मर्दानी नाम अभी आया है फिल्म में, लेकिन अगर आप देखेंगे मेरी पहली फिल्म से राजे की आएगी बारात, तब से ही मैं काफी मतलब मर्दानी का ही रोल कर रही हूँ, प्ले कर रही हूँ. तो वैसे कुछ नई बात नहीं है. मेरे हर किरदार में मैंने जो भी फिल्म्स की है, हर फिल्म में एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है लड़कियों के लिए, औरतों के लिए. और मैं हमेशा से यही ऐसे ही रोल्स की तरफ ज़्यादा आकर्षित हुई हूँ. और ये जो रोल है, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट ये रोल ऐसा मेरे जैसे बोलते ना गोद में आके मतलब गिरा. इट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू प्ले शिवानी शिवाजी रॉय बिकॉज शी इज़ इंस्पेक्टर इन क्राइम ब्रांच. और बहुत मज़ा आया इन लोगों से मिलकर जब मैंने रिसर्च की इस फिल्म के ऊपर, और बहुत सारे इंस्पेक्टर्स से मिली जो कि सब लेडी इंस्पेक्टर्स हैं. उनसे बहुत इंस्पिरेशन भी ली. एंड ये फिल्म एक तरीका है कि हम पूरे देश को बताएं कि जो हमारे कंट्री में जो फीमेल ऑफिसर्स है, जो लेडी ऑफिसर्स है, उनका कितना योगदान है हमारे लाइफ में, जो हम ज़्यादातर समझ नहीं पाते हैं. क्योंकि एक जो कैवलियर वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट विमेन जो हमारे दिमाग में बैठ चुका है, जो हर मर्द मतलब विमेन एंड मेन लुक अपॉन एज फीमेल ऑफिसर्स, की शायद ये इतने स्ट्रांग नहीं होंगे, शायद ये इतने मतलब मेल ऑफिसर्स की तरह नहीं होंगे. बट टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ, देयर आर फीमेल ऑफिसर्स हु आर, आई वुड से, नॉट ओनली एज गुड एज द मेल ऑफिसर्स बट समटाइम्स इवन बेटर. And this has been something that Himanshu Roy himself has once told me about one of his lady officers, that they are so good. So I think it's just the way we have to change the perspective of how people look at lady cops and lady police officers. And this film is probably one step towards that change.
Hi Rani, this is Rani from Glamsham. Just a week before your film, Singham Returns is also releasing, which is on a similar genre. Do you think that it will draw comparisons between both the films?
See, I think in a year there are a lot of films that release, and I think every film is compared to the other film in terms of the box office returns, in terms of the critical acclaim. So obviously if there's a film that's coming 1 week before us, there will be comparisons. But the most and foremost important comparison would be that Ajay Devgan plays a male cop and I play a female cop. So that's the most important and the only difference there. And also I'm playing an officer from the crime branch, so you won't see me in the uniform as such the way you see Ajay Devgan, because I think he plays a police officer in his film. So yes, there is a difference in that. But obviously, as I told you, that our film will obviously deal with a different storylines. So hopefully there won't be comparisons, because I don't think every film that is made is not for not for comparing with one another. I think it's for just entertaining the audience with a different story, and hopefully with Mardani we'll be able to entertain you all with a different storyline. Thank you.
Hi Rani.
Hi, Rani. I
Rani,
have a
Rajiv
few
Vijay
questions.
Kari. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Congrats for your marriage first.
Thank you.
And you talked about Raja Ki Aayegi Barat, which
Ji.
was your first film, and
Right.
that was your opposing
Shadab Khan.
domestic crimes, so to
Right.
speak.
Right.
Now you're tackling things at a national level.
Right.
So, do you think this is kind of a second coming for you, or how much do you intend to work now?
I hope so. This is a second coming for me. And I hope to work till I literally take my boots off. So you can't take an artist out of me, ever. Even though I'll have to play different roles now, that of a wife, in the future of a mother. But my most and foremost significant role as an actor that I am known for, I think that role of mine I'll continue playing till ever. So that's never going to change.
Hi, Rani.
Hi.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Okay, I have few questions for you.
Few. Okay.
Few. First being that Mr. Aditya Chopra is a very elusive man,
Right.
reclusive. He hardly makes appearances.
Reclusive or elusive?
Both.
Both, okay.
And I think he's the least captured celebrity, not because we haven't tried, because I think he doesn't like to be captured
Right.
on camera.
Right.
But do we ever get to see the newlyweds together without having to stalk him or going about him? Does that going to happen now? Do we see you guys together sometimes? Will that happen after the marriage?
See, we are always together. So
I mean, no. I
Yeah.
mean, like an official appearance. You know how celebs go to events together and then they pose without having any
no,
qualms.
we do go out together. But I think as a person, I think he's made a very conscious decision to be concentrating more on his work rather than being seen a lot. And I think that's a decision that he's taken on a personal level. And I don't think after marriage that would change, because I don't think marriage makes you a different person. It's just another extension of oneself.
Sure.
And though he's married to an actor, I don't think he's entitled to become a media savvy person or a celebrity who's been looked at as anyone different, because he's his own individual. And I'm sure he'll like to maintain his privacy the way he always has maintained.
Sure, absolutely. Also, so he still remains invisible for us, unfortunately.
No, as long as he's visible to me, I'm very happy.
I'm sure. Rani, you're a very close friend of yours. Preeti is going through a hard time. I'm sure you're aware
Is
of
she
it.
going through a
Yes,
hard time?
She's going through a very difficult time. I don't
Okay.
know. Have you heard of what is happening to her?
No, of course I've heard. But I don't know whether she's going through a hard time. Because it's difficult for Preeti to go through a hard time.
Yeah, it is. Please tell us. I mean, she's a strong woman, so we want to know how your take on the entire matter. And like you say, you know her well, and it's difficult for her to go through a hard time.
See, the only thing I would like to say is that obviously right now her case is under investigation. So I don't think this is the right platform for us to talk about Preeti's case, because I think it's a very personal thing that she's taken up with a person who she has been knowing for a long time. So on Mardani platform, I don't think it's the right time to speak about it. I think when I do get a chance outside this place that I am today, sitting here for Mardani, I think I'll be able to talk further on that. And normally I never like to comment on somebody else's life, nor do I like to comment on some other cases, because I don't think that is right. Because as soon as anything comes under the law and order situation or under the judiciary, I don't think any person has a right to probably speak up or give an opinion on that.